Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Xenia is the latest build and that a test ROM boots. This proves the emulator is functioning. You must plug in an X input compatible controller because Xenia reads X input natively. USB is simplest for reliability. Once connected, close other programs that capture input, like Steam or third-party overlays, and run Xenia with elevated privileges if detection fails. These steps set a clean environment so the emulator can see your controller immediately and avoid input conflicts. Once Xenia is running with the controller connected, go straight to the emulator input settings and let it detect the pad. Xenia prefers X input and will auto-map Xbox buttons. If you have a non-Xbox direct input pad, use X360C placed next to Xenia. EXE to translate direct input to X input. Configure mappings there so the emulator sees an Xbox-style device. Then adjust dead zone and sensitivity so sticks are neutral. Make sure to test in the input diagnostic screen to confirm every button and axis responds correctly. You finish by launching your game in Xenia and confirming the controller controls menus and gameplay. Save any mapping profile for future runs. If inputs feel off, tweak dead zones, vibration, and sensitivity until controls are consistent with native play. If the controller isn't detected, first replug and confirm drivers, then run Xenia as administrator. If that fails, use X360C to emulate X input or enable Steam input for a translation layer. These fixes cover the vast majority.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.